If you want to speed up your Tinkercad workflow, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to group two objects together. Grouping lets you combine shapes into one single piece, which is great for making cleaner designs, simplifying models, and preparing parts for 3D printing. And if you want to keep the original colors visible, there's an easy option for that too. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to group two objects in Tinkercad step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Tinkercad tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure the two objects you want to combine are already placed on the workplane. To group them, you need to select both shapes at the same time. There are two easy ways to do that. You can either click and drag a selection box around both objects, or you can hold Shift on your keyboard and click each object one by one. Once both objects are selected, you'll notice they are highlighted together. Now press Ctrl and G if you're on Windows, or Command and G if you're on Mac. This is the shortcut for grouping objects in Tinkercad. As soon as you do that, the two shapes will merge into a single grouped object. You'll also see that the shapes change to one solid color, which tells you they are now acting as one piece. This is especially useful when you want to move, scale, or duplicate them together without separating them. Now, if you want to keep the original colors instead of turning everything into one solid color, there's another quick step you can use. First, click on the new grouped object to select it. Then look at the inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the solid color circle there. Click on that color option, and then look at the bottom of the color settings for the multicolor box. Check that box, and Tinkercad will keep the different colors visible inside the grouped object. This is a great option if you want your design to stay more organized or easier to identify visually. So to recap, select both objects, group them with Ctrl G or Command G, and then use multicolor if you want to preserve the original appearance. That's all there is to it. Once you know this simple trick, you can work much faster in Tinkercad and build more polished designs with less effort. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Tinkercad walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.